I'm frustrated right now, just being honest. But hello and welcome to Wolf Ridge Woodworking. I'm Ed. Welcome to my shop. We've got a piece of cherry here, natural edge. We're going to do something different out of the traditional, what I would think traditional bowl. We're going to make a Potbelly bowl out of this, and we're going to get to turning this, and we're going to go have some fun.
Hit it! That's what I'm talking about.
Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
I have to refine this, but that's kind of where the middle of the pot belly is. I guess you could say belly. So then I'll just take it down here, and then I want to go in just a little bit more with this, but I like this right here. Well, you just saw it come off the lathe, and it just the wood cracked. Maybe I had it too tight. Maybe it was too small of a tenon. I don't know. But the whole side here gave away, and then this side is peeling up. No easy way to remount it. I mean, there's a way, but it's not easy. I'd have to get a piece of wood, chuck it up, and everything, and then reshape the bottom. I just don't know how it'll turn out, but I got a lot of other things in the queue, some orders to complete. Right here at the holidays, it gets a little busy. And you know what? I'm just frustrated. You know, I'm sure you guys have go through this too, where you spend, you know, I spent 6 hours up to this point, probably still had another couple hours to go. And then for this to happen, and it gets frustrating. And, you know, normally I go on, but this one, I just, you know, with everything, you know, with the, you know, schedules and everything, it's hard to come back and say, oh, I'm gonna take it on the chin and just keep going. I will. I will see this. You know, you'll see this again. I just don't have time right now. But you know, how do you guys deal with this? You know, drop a comment down below. Do you ever get so frustrated? You know, when something happens, you just don't. You know, you want to chuck it on the fire. You know, how do you guys deal with it? I'm curious because I'm frustrated right now. Just being honest. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed it up to this point. You know, go check out some of the other videos I've got if you're new to the channel. They don't all turn out like this, but you know, it's the reality of turning things at, you know, 1200 RPM. Sometimes things happen. But anyway, thank you for sticking around. I really appreciate it, and I wish you and your family a blessed day. Thank you.